another super fun week of Kids Clubhouse Craft Corner with Jen from the Blue Mountains Public Library. This week's activity book is all about outer space and planets. So I'm not sure if you guys are aware, but the fall, especially October, it is the best time of the year to see some planets in our night sky. Can you guess what planets they are? Well, Mars is quite visible, Jupiter, and Venus. Depending on how clear the night skies are, sometimes you can even go out and just using a pair of binoculars see these extraordinary planets twinkling in our beautiful, beautiful night sky. So I hope you enjoy the theme this week. And as always, I'm just going to go over what you'll be getting. So you'll be getting your movie or books, puzzles, game, and then of course your activity book. We always include a really fun bookmark, and you will find a black painted plate with the middle cut out and some green ribbon. So what we're going to be making today, it's going to be a solar system wreath. So on the inside of your book, you will find one of these guys. So it's got the planets on it, some stars, the sun, of course, and you're just going to color them or paint them if you'd like, cut them out, and then we're going to paste them onto our wreath. So what you will need at home will be some glue. You can use white glue. If you have a hot glue gun, you can use a hot glue gun, but just remember, always ask a grown-up for help with the hot glue gun, because we don't ever want anyone to hurt themselves, because again, it's melting glue, so it's hot, right? If you don't have glue, you can even use paint. Your paper plate will already be painted black. So other than the glue, you'll need markers or crayons, or if, like I said, if you want to paint these, you may. So you guys go grab your supplies that you'll need to make this craft, and we'll meet right back here. All right, guys, so hopefully you grabbed your supplies, your coloring crayons, or your paint if you want to use paint, and your glue or your tape, whichever you have at home. Once you do, you're going to grab your coloring sheet out that has all of our planets and stars on them, and you're going to color and cut. Once you have them colored and cut, we will then be ready to glue them on to our paper plate. So color, cut, and we'll meet right back here. All right, and I'm back, my friends. So I have all of my stars and all of my planets glued on to my paper plate. So our final step is our green ribbon. So we are going to take the green ribbon and tie a knot at the end of it, because we are actually going to glue this to the back of our plate. So if you're using a glue stick at home, the glue stick may not work very well for this, so if you have some tape, you can put some tape over top of it, or if you're using white glue, just use some extra glue, or if you're using a glue gun, again, make sure a grown-up is helping you. You can do it that way too. So I've tied my ribbon off. I'm going to put some glue on the back of my plate. And I'm going to set my ribbon in it, just as so. And now I am ready to hang my masterpiece. And that's it for today, my friends. I hope you had lots of fun, and I look forward to seeing you again next week right here for our Kids Clubhouse Craft Corner. So Tuesday, 4:30. Till then, bye for now. See ya.